student should have a bike because it definitely save his time or her time, as well as it can help him to do some household chores, as well as he can also get somewhere in as fast as he want.
So you think that the student should have a bike?
Yes.
Anybody?
You don't think when you want
If you want to ask me, you can give me hands, okay? I will just give you
Sure.
fine.
You don't think you want to buy in that time where petrol cost is very high, so you should also think that your father had money to running a bike, because in this era bike running.
I said a student should have a bike. I didn't say that a student should have a bike runs on petrol. It maybe bike runs on electricity. I mean, it may be electrical vehicle. I just said that a student should have a bike. It's maybe Luna or any petrol bike or any electrical bike.
You said that.
Okay, excuse me, your question is?
Don't you think that nowadays students are using misuse of bike for short distance?
See, everything has its merit as well as demerit. So it depends on you whether you use it for a good deed or wrong deed. So if a student is more conscious for his study as well as his future, he or she will definitely use it for a good deed, not for a bad deed.
Don't you think that most of the students who are in the college, they are underage, and a number of students have not any legal license? So they are used to break all the traffic rules. So what do you think about this?
No, a student, whether it is a college goer, they can definitely have a learning license. So they can also run non-gear bikes on that. So if a student is sincere, then he can have a bike and he can use it for good deeds.
If you have any question, you can cross now. You guys are simply asking a question. You are supposed to cross. If you think that he is answering not enough, okay, then you can cross him. Yes.
So don't you think if someone has all the students have not the same financial condition, someone is coming from a very poor family and he has taken a loan for their education, he can't afford the bike in college. So don't you think it is not must for everyone? So every student should have a bike.
See, Majid, I didn't use the word must. I just said that should have a bike. I don't say that every student
You
must have a
mentioned
bike.
like everyone should have.
Should have a
But
bike.
most of the college, like I can see, like many of the colleges, you can see like their people are like their students are taken a loan for their education and he is doing a BTech or any kind of degree. So he can't afford. Most of the I can see in a real life scenario, I can see many of the students have not that much of money can afford the bike. So
See, those students who can afford a bike, they can definitely have a bike. But if I talk about the person who is studying on a scholarship or by taking a loan, how could he or her family, his family can afford a bike? So that's a different scenario. We can't talk on that.
Okay, have you seen an accident on the road?
Of course.
And even does you think that a bike is a safe for a student?
See, we are sitting here. What if a earthquake of 10?
It's no
So
matter
accident
that
is
the
accident.
It can also happen at any time. It's not a matter there. But you just tell me one thing. Don't you think that a bike is not safe for a student? Just he can ride like that. Just he can face many type of the problem like the road accident. Just he can lose his life also forever.
See, accident is accident, whether it happens with a boy or with a adult. So, if a boy is good at driving, then he can definitely have a bike. And if his driving skill is good, if the reflexes are that enough that he can tolerate any kind of lane changes or those accidents, then I don't think that there is an issue in having a bike.
But
Okay, yes.
as ma'am mentioned that there is a high risk of accident. So according to you, a student should have bike so as to they can save his time.
Yeah.
So don't you think that students have a better option to use auto rickshaw or rickshaw so as he can save his money as well as his time?
No, if I talk about using auto rickshaw or metros even, then it will definitely save some money, but it won't save your time because
Why?
you have to wait for the next bus or next metro or the next auto to come, and whether it has seat or not, it has vacant seat or not, then you can board it or not. if you have a bike, then it's up to you. You can use it right now or maybe 5 or 10 minutes later. It's up to you. As well as it can save your time too, because it's your work. If you want to go the nearby street or nearby village or town, then you can use your bike. But you can't say that every vehicle or every bus or every place has that kind of transportation way.
But nowadays, all the cities and town, even all the villages are connected to well-mannered roads. Okay, and you are talking about students cannot save money, cannot save this time. So don't you think that in the students who use bike, they have also suffer a lot because in sometimes also the bike maybe will get punctured and a number of problems related regarding to bike. So don't you think that students have to use auto rickshaw and metro and other buses instead of buying bikes?
See, that's a hypothetical condition. So I would like to give a hypothetical answer to it. What if the electrical wire of metro get broken? What if the petrol of a bus or the auto get empty? That's a different scenario. We can't use that in a current scenario. The simple question is that whether a student have a bike or not. I said yes, because it will save time as well as money too.
You want to ask?
Can-
Don't think he should help his family other than should have a bike, because his he is an adult now, so he should try to help his family.
Of course, I would like to add a point that he is helping his family by doing some household chores in by through his bike or her bike, as well as he can also carry his younger brother or younger sister from house or tuition, as well as he can also carry some family member from bus stop or railway station. So that's are the situation that he or she are using his bike or her bike for a good deed as well as helping his or her family.
Okay, you want to ask?
Okay, just to tell you one thing, just you are saying that the bike is good for a student. So you tell me one thing, so what is the more important for a student, bike or the study?
Of course, a study, because
Okay.
bike is a
Okay, don't you think that if a student gets a bike, then just he can divert his mind, just he cannot properly pay attention on the study, and just he has to make a career. So just firstly he has to focus on study now.
as I said as I said in answering the Digambar's question, that everything is merits as well as demerits. You have phone, you can also use in a good manner or in a diverting manner. So if a student has a bike, he can use it for good deed, for saving his time, saving his money, saving his energy. And if he wants to just roam around, then he can
Okay,
roam.
almost just you can see that the every students have not mind properly that what have to do or not. Okay, so that time if a parents give a bike to the students and his students, so that just he is about playing with his life also.
See, here the question is of college goer. So every college goer has crossed his teenager and they had already decided what he or she wants to do in his life. So if he can't be serious in his future or his life, then I don't think he can do anything in his life. Then by answering your question that he can misuse that bike. So if he is that kind of raw minded, then I think that he don't deserve a bike. But it's a different scenario that it's an exceptional case. So not every college goer has that destructive mind.
Okay, fine. You want to ask?
Many times said that a student have bike to save their time. But you don't think whenever a student buy a bike, then he should spend their time for learning the bike, how to ride a bike. What can you say that only say that I want to say that a student should buy, that he should maintain their time and save their time. But whatever, when you take a bike and you have lots of riding and learning riding and spend more and more times in
Good
that
question.
time.
I'd like to answer your question in a different manner. So you are learning English. You are just wasting your time, or you are spending your time. you are investing your time
But
in learning a skill.
in a student-
Riding a bike is also a skill, and his or her time is not wasted. It's invested.
According to a student, according to you, a student is more important for a study or for wasting time to get any making electric TV, electric fridge, etc. I find some other route to make it. What is this, man? If I am education here to learning English, then it is a part of my study, not a part of my that I will learn something. I try to do any other skill. You also should remember it.
Riding his bike also a skill, as a studying is a skill, or pursuing any skill like.
For a student, study riding a bike is not a
So you
important skill.
think that a student must only read. They don't have to
But only focus on their study, because if we focus
Yes.
on their study, then we should.
see. A student has 24 hours
Yeah.
in a day.
Yeah.
So he can also use a few hours, like 1 hour or half an hour, to learn a bike. There is no need to learn 8 or 10 hours. He can use 8 or 10 hours in a study rather than wasting his time with friends. So
But on that case, if we get accidented to learning period, then what to say that it's take more time and more time to recover, and their study will be spoiled.
see,
In that
when a student or anyone gets to a learning academy or learning a school, there are certified teachers, or you can say certified trainers. So they won't let you to fall down. Alright. So you are paying them just to be safe and have a good riding a skill.
But this time I think you are kidding with people, because for riding a bike, no one can get with any institute or any trainer to.
Same thing, I would like to say that no one is going to buy a bike before having a riding a skill. Everyone buys a bike after having a learning a skill. Roshan, you tell me, you have a bike.
Yeah.
Do you buy it after you have learned riding a bike, or you learn it?
When I am completely learning my bike,
That's
then
the
I
same
buy.
thing. Everyone buy a bike after he had a skill of riding a bike.
But when my bike has come,
Okay,
then I learn my.
See, very good. There should be clap for him. Big clap. Now the problem time. Whatever you spoke now, I could not find a single mistakes. Even everybody, whatever you spoke, whether you spoke 1 line, 2 line, whatever, okay. You hardly spoke 1 or 2 line. Otherwise, speaking well. You guys were committing no mistakes. I found some mistakes in you. The first mistake, the very first line you have said, your father have money. It should be have. It was very silly mistakes. We should not use ETC. We have to use etc. etc. Is that it?
Can we use blah blah?
No, blah blah is different thing. See, if you are going somewhere and suppose you are having and somebody asks you that what kind of dish you had, then you said that I ate chicken, I ate paneer, I ate yogurt, I ate sweet this, etc. We go like that. You cannot use etc. Fine.
In a spoken AI,
And
spoken AI, do you know?
in a spoken,
Yeah.
you don't have to use etc. Okay, in speaking, okay, you should speak etc. etc. The problem is with you guys. Ask 1 or 2 cross question. Whether she asked, you were not asking any cross question. You were not asking, or hardly were you asked 1 or 2 questions. Roshan asked question at least. It is a good thing. The session is all about asking cross question. Okay, if he has to prove his point by speaking anything, okay, and he was speaking lots of what I can say that silly things.
Yeah.
Okay, so you guys you guys were supposed to encounter him. So whenever you are searching for the topic, try to ask question. It will enhance your speaking skill as well. You need to speak. You need to work your pronunciation. It's very bad. Understood? You are speaking whatever. You are speaking ever. Okay. I told you to buy a jumper. Have you bought?
I ordered.
You ordered jumper. As you get that jumper, you have to fine. Otherwise, it was a good session, guys. Tomorrow, again, I will have a same session. Okay. I think you should join because you spoke very good. Okay, and best come tomorrow.